Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get a clock on Rainmeter. First, confirm Rainmeter is already installed and running smoothly on your computer. Before we begin, a stable internet connection is essential for downloading new content. We will explore simple steps to enhance your desktop with a custom clock, making it both functional and visually appealing. This process is surprisingly straightforward, and you will be enjoying your new clock in just a few minutes. Now, let us discover where to find a beautiful clock skin for your desktop. Head over to well-known Rainmeter communities like DeviantArt or the official Rainmeter forums. Use search terms such as Rainmeter clock or time skin to browse various designs. Spend a few moments exploring different styles, ensuring the skin you choose has clear instructions and a good reputation. There are hundreds of unique options available, so pick one that truly fits your personal aesthetic. Once you have found your ideal clock skin, it is time to download it. Most skins come as an RM skin file, which is Rainmeter's convenient installer package. Simply click the download button, then locate and double-click the downloaded file. Follow the on-screen prompts of the installation wizard, ensuring you select all default components. This typically only takes about 10 to 15 seconds. After filing the initial report, law enforcement will typically conduct a thorough interview to understand the situation fully. They will then formally file the missing person report, initiating their investigative procedures without delay. It is important to remain patient and cooperative, as you may be asked to provide additional details or follow specific instructions. Maintaining consistent communication with the investigating officer will greatly assist their efforts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.